Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Yuvan Gupta. I study in grade 2. In my previous video, I shared that we have different climates all over the world and India has tropical monsoon climate. Today, I will explain these climates in detail and why India has tropical monsoon climate, although it has varied climatic conditions. Let's start with all climates. Tropical climate. Tropical climate have warm temperature and only two seasons, wet and dry. Amazon rainforest in Brazil is the best place which has tropical climate. In this hot and humid zone, the average temperature is higher than 18 degrees Celsius all year round. Dry climate. These climate zones are so dry because the moisture is rapidly evaporated from the air and there is very little precipitation. Saudi Arabia and most of the African countries have dry climate. Moderate or temperate climate. Moderate climate refers to the climate which is neither too hot nor too cold. Temperate climate have four seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Some of the countries which have moderate climate are Western Europe, southeast of Australia, New Zealand, some areas of Chile, Argentina, some areas of west coast of North America. Continental climate. These climates have warm to cool summers and very cold winters. In the winter, this zone can experience strong winds, snowstorms and very cold temperature, sometimes falling below minus 30 degrees Celsius. Most of northern and northeastern China, eastern and southeastern Europe, central and northeastern United States, central and southeastern Canada have this type of climate. Polar climate. In the polar climate zones, it's extremely cold. Even in summer, the temperature here never goes higher than 10 degrees Celsius. A polar climate consists of cool summers and very cold winters, which results in treeless tundra, glaciers, or a permanent or semi-permanent layer of ice. Nuuk in Greenland, Alaska in United States, Yukon in Canada, Iceland, Norway, Finland and Antarctica have this type of climate. Now I will explain why India has tropical monsoon climate. Although India has varied climatic conditions, Indian climate is influenced by the winds which are called monsoon winds. The interior and central parts of India experience a subtropical type of climate. Coastal regions have moderate climate all the year round. Cherrapunji in Meghalaya receives the annual rainfall of 1250 cm, whereas in Rajasthan desert, the annual rainfall is not more than 13 cm. In spite of this, India possesses a climatic unity. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the center of the country and divides India into temperate zone in the northern half and tropical zone in the southern half. But the monsoon gives a climatic unity to our country. That's why India has tropical monsoon climate. Hope you all like this video. Jai Shri Krishna.